So we're parked here in the campground in Foxwarren, Manitoba, and they've got some electrical outlets here. I don't know if they work. We haven't tried it. There's a playground here for kids. There's a community center over there, a recreation center, and a big field for sports, and a field here for camping. So each spot has a numbered post with electrical. We found a spot right here that is level. It was under the trees. It rained last night, so it was fresh air this morning. We got next to number 11 and 10 here. And we got the heater on because it's a little bit chilly today. We got some recycle bins here for cans. But this is where we are. And it's a good spot. It's free. No charge at all. Foxwarren, Manitoba. A tiny village. Free camping.